We just finished up an awesome Interlake waterfowl hunt with the guys. So much fun. I'm gonna give you guys 5 beginner waterfowl tips. I am not an expert in the waterfowl realm by any means, but I've had the opportunity to film with some pretty great waterfowlers and hunt alongside them. So I'm gonna give you 5 quick tips. Tip number 1, concealment is key. Any movements, any exposed skin, if you can cover your face, anything helps. And working with whatever cover you have, if it's a blind, on this particular hunt, we hid back in a natural bluff, which is, super convenient if you don't have access to a blind. Anything you can do to keep yourself hidden from the birds is gonna make your hunt much more successful. Tip number 2, as far as shot size goes, I know it can be a little overwhelming. If you're hunting a combo type field where there's a chance of ducks and geese, I would go with size 2 shot. 2 is just a good all-around average, and from a lot of people that I've hunted with, that's what they've suggested. Tip number 3, flexibility. On today's hunt, the wind shifted a little bit, the birds are coming in a bit of a different direction, and we were able to move the decoys on the fly. You don't want to be set in stone with whatever decision you make in the morning. If you need to adjust, move your blind slightly, move your decoy spread, just keep an open mind, because some of those slight adjustments can save a potentially failed hunt. Tip number 4, when the birds are coming in, when they're locked up in your face, it can be so overwhelming, you just kind of want to shoot into the middle of it. Pick a bird, put your bead, track a bird, and pick one bird at a time. If you're hunting with a bigger group of people, kind of think, if you're on the far right side of the hunters, pick a bird off the right side of the flock. If you're on the left, go for the left side. Those things can help you out a lot. All right, guys, 5th and final tip is about calling. I cannot call myself. I'm often hunting with guides and friends that can call, and I will tell you that more calling is not always better. Sometimes no calling is the key. Sometimes you'll see a bird working, you'll call, and it'll actually flare them away. Other times they'll bring them in. So you need to play it case by case and see how the bird's reacting, and once again, adjust to that accordingly. Those are your 5 quick waterfowl tips, and I hope you guys have a wonderful season.